How to uninstall apps on Windows 11. You probably want to uninstall some apps that you no longer need it on your Windows 11. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick way on how to get it done. Be sure to stay to the end of this video so you don't make any mistake. To get started, you have to navigate and tap on your start menu. A pop-up menu will appear. Continue to click on settings. Then with this selected, allow it a bit of moment to finish loading. Among the list of options on the left panel, make sure to select on apps. Then with this selected, you have the option to see all the install apps here by just clicking on it. So this will allow us to see all the apps we currently have installed on our device and the respective sizes it consumes on our device. As you can see, the DaVinci Resolve is consuming almost 5 gig of space on my device, and the Adobe Photoshop is consuming almost 4 gig space. So when you scroll down in bit, you could see the various apps and the amount of spaces it's consuming here. So let's say a quick one, you just want to search it by name. All you have to do is to tap on the search apps, and let's say for instance we want to search for this app. After locating it, if you want to uninstall it, you first have to navigate to this right panel and locate this 3 dots and tap on it. A list of options will appear. Just continue to tap on uninstall and then proceed to tap on uninstall again. Then make sure to tap on yes to all. That's it. 𝗕𝗵cie_𝗲𝗏 was successfully removed from your computer, so you can then continue to tap on OK. So if you want to repeat it again, you just have to navigate back to the apps and then tap on install apps, and make sure to sort by the size or the name depending on the ones that you don't need. It's pretty simple and easy. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribe and give this video a like. See you in the next video.